എല്ലാവർക്കും ടെക് ആലപ്പി എന്ന യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം.
Hi, are you an expert in killing plants? I know I used to be. And it was because I didn't have the time or the skills to keep them alive. I wanted to solve this problem, so I teamed up with Johannes and Mario. Together, we created Botanium. It is an automatic and self-watering planter that lets you grow effortlessly, so you can have fresh herbs without giving up your life. In Botanium, you can grow herbs like basil, thymes, or mint. You can also grow vegetables like tomatoes or chili. Botanium is a complete kit for growing your own plants from seeds. This is how to not kill a plant. Pour water into the tank. Add some nutrients. Fill up with the included growing medium. Plant a seed, connect it to an outlet, and let Botanium take care of the plant for you. The roots really thrive in Botanium, which makes the plants grow larger and faster than in common soil. If you fill it up, it can last up to a month, so you don't need to worry if you go away.
We're a group of entrepreneurs, engineers and designers. We know what it takes to make a product. We have done it before.
We have made many prototypes and are now ready for mass production. To do that, we have a big startup cost and need your help to back this project.
This is Plantone, the smartest mini garden solution with only one mission: to keep your plants alive. With its smart lighting and the patent-pending auto-watering system, Plantone is one product solution for anyone to grow herbs and flowers indoors easily. Fill the water tank, plant the seeds, plug it in, and you're good to go. Plantone consists of 4 main units: the light tower, 5 autopots, the floater unit, and the water tank. The autopots sit on the floater unit. As you fill the tank, the floating action creates an osmotic pressure, helping Plantone to distribute the same amount of water to plants no matter how much the tank is filled, so you can grow your plants without worrying about overwatering or underwatering. A full tank provides 30 days of water to your plants, but if you're going to be away for a while, you can overfill the tank for up to an extra 30 days. The water tank prevents unwanted evaporation, which helps Plantone use 85% less water compared to regular methods. Plants may require different amounts of water. By adjusting the intensity of water for each autopot separately, you can grow 5 different species at the same time. You can use 2 different size canopy supports for rather bushy or top-heavy plants. The light tower is retractable and compact for saving space. The single button on top lets you control the intensity of the light and switch between different light cycles. The Plantone mobile app lets you create custom light schedules and adjust the lights remotely. Plantone can measure the intensity of the light around it, and it can self-adjust to prevent any unnecessary power consumption. Besides the electrical components, Plantone Diversity is made out of recycled and biodegradable materials with stability and quality in mind. We've tried to make Plantone fun and easy to use while supporting a wide range of seeds for your growing experience. Culinary Pack contains herbs that you can use as fresh condiments in your kitchen for adding that extra flavor to your dishes. Health Pack contains herbs and flowers which we, as humans, have been using medicinally for thousands of years. Diversity Pack provides plants catering to your decorative needs by matching the color profile of a photograph that you provide using the Plantone mobile app. Our mission is to empower and inspire people to grow plants whenever and wherever they please.
ഇന്നത്തെ ഒരു വീഡിയോ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ഗുഡ് ബൈ.